Cake flour can be used as a substitute in some recipes for all-purpose flour, and it will create a softer baked good. If you cannot find it in stores or if you run out of it, it's not hard to make and uses only 2 ingredients. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. Add 1 level cup of all-purpose flour to a mixing bowl. Remove 2 level tablespoons of the flour. Replace the removed flour with 2 level tablespoons of cornstarch. Use a strainer to sift the flour to combine the flour and cornstarch evenly. Repeat this process a second time. You will see that the flour will have a finer consistency. Store the cake flour in an airtight container. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.